Welcome. Today in front of me XIAOMI Poco M3 Pro, and I'll show you how to show or hide the caller ID on this device. So first you should go to the phone application, and on the right upper corner tap to the three dots and just go here to the settings, and you'll see the caller ID and spam section. Tap there, and now just to show the caller ID while the calling, just tap here once on the switcher, and that's it. That will be just activated. And if you want to then just turn off this option, tap here again on the switcher, and that's it. That's how it looks. So if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.